they're saying 2A-30-BC. They actually have a 3A-40-BC.
Hello everyone, welcome to SafeTech Training. We're going to do a quick tutorial here on how to navigate our training course pages, and then we're going to jump right into a live instructor course so you can see the professionalism that you can expect from SafeTech training programs. One of the key benefits to our company, well, we are the workplace safety and prevention services training partner. We offer 15 professional instructors, 8 support staff, 3 training coordinators, and all our training is available on site 24 hours a day, 7 days a week with no shift premiums. And we also offer it through 5 GTA locations as well. You may also sit any one of your supervisors, managers, joint health and safety committee members in any one of our in-class theory presentations at no cost, just to see the information we're relaying to your workers. We also offer the only industry-leading guarantee, and it states as such. If you're not 100% satisfied with any SafeTech training program, you simply don't pay. So let's look right into the actual course pages. Any one of our courses are available through our main tab here. And as you can see, you just click on any one of them and it'll take you directly to these course pages. The course pages are outlined exactly the same way for consistency. This is our Working at Heights training page. We've trained well over 8,000 workers at Working at Heights. And we're the 11th company Chief Prevention Officer approved back in 2015. All of the details of our courses are well within the body of these pages. Any contact information is outlined right here. You can call us toll-free or locally, email us directly, or fill out any one of our booking forms and we'll be able to have our support staff follow up right away. We also have a cool new AI integrated chat option where you can literally just click on that icon and we will have one of our coordinators log on and take care of any information you may be looking for right away. And any of the actual course details themselves are directly behind the booking information as you see here. And then we also have reviews. I think we're well over 140 plus reviews. You can just scroll through there and see any one of those at your convenience. Each course page is fully downloadable simply by clicking the download course page. Any one of the versions of that course will pop up. You click on those links and it'll take you directly to a PDF that is fully downloadable or printable for you to take into meetings at your convenience. So that's basically a tutorial in regards to what the pages look like, how you can contact us. And now we're going to take you directly into what a live instructor course looks like so you can truly see the professionalism you can expect from SafeTech training. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and let's head in right into a live training session right now.
Somewhere right there, carabiner. You take your carabiner, lock that onto your front D-ring. This is going to go on your rope, and then you can work from the ladder, okay? Not where you try and touch the table. We'll attach to the table.